guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this channel I'm also telling about what is health insurance. Okay, so let's start. First at all, open the Google and search top of the screen what is health insurance and how it's work. Okay, so now guys, open the Google and search top of the screen about health insurance and how it's work. Okay, so now guys, you can see your health insurance protects you from paying the full cost of medical services when you are injured or sick, and it's work the same way your car or home insurance works. You or your employer choose a plan and agree to pay a certain rate or premium each month. Okay, health insurance definitions, how it's work, each and everything is here. So guys, in this video I'm telling about health insurance is a contract between a company and a consumer. The company agrees to pay all or some of the insured person's healthcare cost in return for payment of a monthly premium. The contract is usually a one-year agreement during which the insurer will be responsible for paying specific expenses related to illness, injury, pregnancy or preventative care. Health insurance agreements in the USA generally came with exceptions to coverage, including a deductible that requires the consumers to pay certain health care costs out of pocket up to a maximum amount before the company coverage begins. Okay, one or more co-payment that required the consumers to pay a set share of a cost for specific services or producers. Okay, health insurance pays post medical and surgical expenses and preventative care costs incurred by the insured person in return for a monthly premium payment. Generally, the higher the monthly premium is, the lower the out-of-pocket costs are to be insured. Virtually all insurance plans have deductibles and co-payments and co-pays, but these out-of-pocket expenses are now capped by federal law. Since 2010, the Affordable Care Act has prohibited insurance companies for dying coverage to patients with pre-existing conditions and has allowed children to remain on their parents' insurance plan until they reach the age of 26. Okay. How health insurance works in the United States. Health insurance is tricky to navigate. It is a business with a number of regional and national competitors whose coverage, pricing, pricing and availability vary from state to state and even by country. Okay, about half of Americans have health insurance coverage as an employment benefit, with premiums partially covered by the employer. The cost of the employee is tax deductible to the payer, and the benefit to the employer are tax free with certain exceptions for S corporation employees. Okay, self employer. Okay, so type of health insurances are also here. Okay, in this video guys, I'm also telling about the all information about health insurance. Health insurance can be tricky to navigate in the USA. So called managed car insurance plans require policyholders to get their care from a network of designated healthcare providers. If patient seeks care outside the network, they must pay a higher percentage of the cost. The insurer may even refuse payment outright for services obtained out of network. Many managed care plans, for example, health maintenance organization and point of service plans, okay, require patients to choose a primary care physician who oversees the patient's care, makes recommendations about treatment and provide referrals for medical specialists. Okay, preferred provider organizations by contrast don't require referrals but do set lower rates for using in network practitioner and services. Insurance companies may deny coverage for certain services that were obtained without pre-authorization. They may refuse payment for name brand drugs if a generic vision or comparable medication is available at a low cost. Okay, What are co-payments, deductibles, and co-coins are the types of health insurance. Okay, so guys, I hope you also like this video. In this video, I'm telling about all information about health insurance. Inshallah, we will meet again. Allah